Day Monday, we're supposed to educate you about things that are useful in your lives.
Yeah, we still have Shao, the professor.
Professor, yeah.
Since DJ Ramon is late, we will Shao will wrap up for you what we've been talking about.
This guy is my friend in a workshop, a teaching workshop,
Yes,
right?
in UP. UP. When I was there.
What was it called?
Teaching effectiveness course.
TEC, there you go. We are.
Do you need it? Do you even need it?
We are certified teachers. And you fought with the teacher there. I saw you.
I think so.
Yeah.
I think so.
This guy.
That's why I left.
This guy has very strong fighting spirit.
Wow!
Too much for UP to handle. That's why he went to a school that's higher pay.
Higher pay.
Yeah, Xiao, how are you? And then please wrap up tonight.
Yan siguro parang yung discussion din kanina, i-highlight natin na the perception that Ninoy Aquino assassination started it all is wrong. Doon sumama yung mas maraming tao, other sectors of society. But as early as 1972, you know, just want to emphasize this, October pa lang ng 1972, 1 month after martial law, meron ng noise barrage sa Yacal at saka sa Ipil residence halls.
Woo! Go Yacal!
No? And yeah, that's correct, you know. And by 1976, ang mga unang labor unions like La Tondena, si Chris Cabel, Crispin Beltran, the late Crispin Beltran started that, no. So may mga ganun na, may mga pagkilos na. And the brother of Mr. Jose Lacaba, no, si Eman. Talagang maraming katulad niya na nagsakripisyo ng buhay. Ang pinatay, you know, Lorena Barros, the doctors in the barrios, si Escandor, si Roxo, sina Bobby De La Paz, all these people, no, marami nang kumbaga nung dumating ang Ninoy Aquino assassination. And even Ninoy himself when he was in prison was fighting. So when Ninoy died, parang napatag na yung landas. Yung tao ngayon, yun na yung dadaan na sila dun sa kalsadang tinatawag na EDSA. And just to add up siguro Mitch dun sa Encertado, no? And everyone, dami pala natin, ano? And dun sa parang iko-konsepto na pag contextualize nung event. I like yung parang parallelism na EDSA starts in Monumento. Di ba? EDSA starts in Monumento, and our fight as a people, as a bayan, no, na parang nabuo tayo nung panahon ng himagsikan ni Bonifacio. We always thought na parang being a country is just grabbing political power and being independent, and that's it, di ba? But Bonifacio's concept of the inang bayan, tayo lahat magkakapatid.
All of us.
Tayo lahat ay dapat magkaroon ng ginhawa, no? Ginhawa sa kalusugan, sa komportableng buhay, no? Kalooban. Pero ang ginhawa ay nagsisimula lagi sa mabuting kalooban at magandang kaluluwa. Bago tayo maging bansa, dapat maging magkapatid dapat tayo, and then yung parang magkaroon ng parang pagtatry na maging, be good and be the best in what you can be. Parang this crystallized, I think, in EDSA Revolution. So kung dadaanan pa yung EDSA hanggang Camp Aguinaldo, yun na yung simbolismo na these good qualities that we have, kapatiran, pakikiramay, magiging malikhain, pagiging masayahin, no, pagiging mapayapa, and so on and so forth. This crystallized in those 4 days in February. No, doon siya lumitaw at ginaya tayo ng mundo. The Eastern Communist Bloc fell because of EDSA, the inspiration of EDSA. In Poland, in Czechoslovakia.
Berlin Wall.
Yeah. The Berlin Wall, yes, exactly.
Tiananmen Square.
Yes. Wala, nabigyan sila itong pinagbabaril sila. Pero yun,
sinagasaan ng tangke.
Inspiration nila ang EDSA Revolution. Yun ang problema. Naging expression.
Meron din silang kanta?
Ha?
Meron din silang kanta.
Malamang may kulay pa nga sila eh. Diyan nagsimula yung mga, di ba, yellow tayo eh. Diyan nagsimula yung Orange Revolution, yung mga Saffron Revolution, etc. No? Yung mga kulay. Tayo kasi nagsimula no, na peaceful change can be done. Yun na nga, sa kanila nag-succeed. They are now great countries. What happened to us? Yun ang tanong.
Naging great sila lang.
Yun na nga.
Yung mga
Great revolution though.
So, yeah. We're ending na rin, So, siguro I'll just give my final message then to the young kids. Tandaan natin mabuti na, yung revolution, hindi yung pagpunta sa kalsada, ginawa na ito, and very effective naman siya, no? Pero tandaan natin mabuti, na ang kalaban ng demokrasya, according to Manolo Quezon, ay nagbabago din. Kung hindi tayo magbabago ng pakikipaglaban sa nagbabagong kalaban, patay tayo. Hindi tayo makakaano. So parang, ano na yung pwede natin gawin? Maaaring gawin natin ito sa sama-sama nating pagiging best in what we can be. Lagi nga tinatanong sa akin ng mga estudyante ko, sir, paano ba mamahalin ng bayan? Diba? Paano ba gagawin ang diwa ng EDSA?
Ay, papuntahin mo
Diba?
sila rito, mamahalin na.
Magmahalan tayo. Gusto ko yan. Paano?
Alam mo kung saan nagsisimula ang EDSA? Sinabi mo, monumento.
Monumento.
Alam mo kung saan nagtatapos?
Sa Mall of Asia.
Hindi. Sa Mahal Kita Lodge.
Ayun! Alam mo,
At doon sa yellow at orange. Hindi, yun na nga eh. Parang EDSA nagsimula sa Himagsikan, landas ng pagkuha ng ginhawa. Tapos yun nga, EDSA Revolution. And then ngayon parang nakakalimutan na natin to. At doon na tayo sa biglang liko o sa diretsong
Yan,
mall.
yan.
Mall. Oh, yan parang, sige, para ano ba?
So, therefore, the revolution is a continuous struggle.
Yeah.
yes. And it, yun
Towards
nga,
happiness.
Gandhi
Towards
said,
happiness.
Gandhi said,
Going to the mall.
let us begin with ourselves. If we want change in society, we must be the change, no? Andres Bonifacio said, no, hindi mo kailangang mamatay. You don't have to die. Lahat na nagmahal daw sa bayan, patay, hindi totoo yun.
Pero namatay siya.
Sabi ni Andres Bonifacio, no? Ano nga ba to? Ang pagsusumikap na maghanap buhay ay nagpapahayag ng tunay na pagmamahal sa sarili, asawa, kapatid, magulang, at kababayan. If we do our best as students, as, now as radio announcers, all of us, then we will go there. Tayo lahat, kung collective yun, na magiging mabuti tayo, and then makialam tayo sa issue, doon magsisimula ang revolusyon. So, yun ang gawin natin siguro. Yun ang diwa ng EDSA para sa atin. Simulan sa sarili.
ayun. So, thank you,
Tinamaan kami
Professor
doon.
Chua.
Ouch!
Tinamaan kami doon.
Sinama kami doon.
Salamat po, salamat ng marami for guesting me here, and I hope you continue doing this, no, kasi maraming batang nangangailangan ng mga katulad ninyo.
At tulad mo rin, Professor.
Kasi yun
Chow. Chow.
Oh, Chow.
Ciao.
Chow. Sabi nga ni Mr. Lacaba kanina, ikaw, pag-isipan mo kung ano yung kaya mong gawin. Kung gusto mo ng pagbabago, o kung mass comm student ka, edi magsulat ka. Kung radio announcer ka, ikwento mo ang mga issues. Kung
Bold star ka.
bold star ka, edi...
Best bold star. Be the best bold
Be the
star that
best
you can be.
bold star, yes. Yeah. Yun nga rin, na parang sa ngayon, hindi lang naman yung rally yung nag-work. Kung nag-work siya dati, yung sabi nga ni Xiao, baka ngayon iba na yung kalaban, baka hindi na kaya sa rally, baka kailangan pang dagdagan ng pagbabago sa sarili, pagbabago sa...
Sumbong mo sa magulang.
Oo.
Tumalab, no?
So many precious statements.
Wag magdruga, no?
Oo, na sana hindi lang naman na this holiday natin maalala yung mga naganap ng EDSA, na we have to remember like every day, we wouldn't be here. We wouldn't be enjoying all of our, malamang ngayon, wala, nasa bahay na tayo kasi may curfew. So we should enjoy all of what has been won at that time for us. And we should remember that, not to take these things for granted.
That's true.